bagus? Sangat bagus.
Presenter of the Jesuit today.
Satu, dua, tiga. Warmadewa. Good. Bagus.
And especially Mr. Adnan prepare us for after grade.
So what they prepare is they need to, not just focus on learning the software. Make a own video resume. How you present yourself in front of the world matters a lot. Like I'm standing in front of you, if I'm not able to communicate with you, talk with you, then what's the point of education, right? You know a lot of skills, you know every software, you have a very good knowledge about civil engineering, but the company doesn't know how much knowledge you have, what is your personality. For that you need to make a video resume.
I have a question. What is the difference between a building that use BIM modeling and not? So what is the benefit of using BIM modeling at building build a building?
What is the difference between a building which is using BIM
Yes.
and which is not using BIM?
Yeah. And what's the benefit? Yeah.
And what's the benefit? That's a very common question. I like it. So this particular terminal, BBIT Bandra, was done using BIM. You should also know which projects have been done using BIM, right? There are multiple other projects which I'll show to you, which is planned in Indonesia, and these are some of the most unique projects, like Mandalika Circuit and Tourism Hub. Do you know Mandalika? Where it is? What they do in Mandalika? For what? Yeah, it's for racing. Everybody know racing is a very good sport in Bali as well, right? Motocross racing. But they are using BIM over there. Airport, right? It's a new building constructed, and this entire building was done using BIM. You know, Pasar Sukwati? It's like a market, right? That is also being redeveloped using BIM. So many opportunities you have, and this started from 2021 itself. All the total floor area exceeding 2,000 square meters is mandated to use BIM. This was in Warmadewa. Am I correct, Agu? Yeah. This was in Warmadewa. The Public Works Special Planning Department, they met on May 31st, 2022. Okay? They themselves had made sure that the adoption of BIM in Bali is pretty slow. The only one reason they give is because of education. They need to have a clear SOP. What is SOP? Yes, correct. Who said that? What is SOP? Standard operational procedures. Correct. Which a normal civil engineer will take 10 years to reach 10 million. And you will only take 2 to 3 years to reach 10 million in salary. Why? Revit technician, civil 3D, BIM automation, senior BIM engineer, BIM modeler, BIM lead. All these roles are available in the market.